Hello, I'm Stuti Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. Agrochemical giant UPL South Europe officially launches its National Plant Protection Unit in Europe. The aim is to continue advancing the objective of the Paris Agreement to reduce CO2 emissions from agriculture crops. According to Natalia Hummel, Global Head of New Agriculture Technologies and UPL, the aim is to bring these solutions to global market because there is a global demand for sustainable food and make sure solutions are developed successfully. Bayer Crop Science launched FieldMate app, which provides information regarding agriculture sector with greater access to valuable data, information and content. FieldMate app is the latest digital tool in Bayer smart farming approach. This new app contains the data equivalent to 3 large directories and reference books supporting growers, agronomists and students in faster diagnosis. Safex Chemicals aims to fight brown plant hopper with its products such as Stroll, Sinister Plus and Frost, which promise to effectively control it. BPH is an insect pest of rice that causes a total yield loss when attack is severe as a part of its Enriching Agriculture initiative. ICRISAT and Varsha Biosciences Technology Private Limited signed an agreement to work together in the field of crop health management. A joint research proposal on plant disease management based on streptomyces technology has been submitted to the Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council. Startups incubated by Kerala Agriculture University Agribusiness Incubator bags central fund worth 1.9 crore rupees. R. Chandrababu, Vice Chancellor of Kerala Agriculture University, said KAU Rabi investigates to double farmers' income by building enterprises that focus on innovation through technical and business mentoring, exposure to incubation models, and orientation to entrepreneurial culture to agriculture and light sector. Premier Irrigation Adriatic Private Limited offers farmers an efficient and simple way to operate their farm with drip irrigation method of micro irrigation. It also promised to deliver great ROI compared to other irrigation methods. Krishi Jagran will organize an event, the launch of tractornews.in and webinar on farm mechanization with a vision to provide latest information on farm mechanization to farming community. A new platform, tractornews.in, will also be launched with an aim to provide with the farmers a digital window with detailed information of agri-machinery, latest news and technologies specification for various brands across the country. India becomes a major wheat supplier for countries in South and West Asia as prices in the global market surges near 8-year high. Rajnikant Rai, Divisional Chief Executive, ITC Agribusiness, said basically Indian wheat is in demand and Russia and Australia are quoting higher price for their produce. Increasing freight rates have also contributed to demand for Indian wheat. Bangladesh Agriculture Research Council Auditorium holds an Agriculture Entrepreneurs Conference, Bhodasar, Northern Janla, with an aim to help the country. Agri-Entrepreneurship Conference will open in Bhodasar, Northern Janla in the minds of agri-entrepreneurs in the country. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.